Everyone, this is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install TikTok on your Android tablet. So we can just swipe up and we can just search for the store. So we got the Google Play Store on here. It's going to look like this. It's going to have a small triangle on the screen. We can just tap this. Now TikTok is usually one of the recommended apps just on the top right here if we look. Or we can go to apps and we can just look through the most popular ones. And we got the option for search, and we can just type in TikTok. Press search right here, and we can see it pop up. So here's TikTok right here. We can install it. Then we got the other ones. We got like TikTok Studio, Events. I think they got the store on here too, the shop. So you can look at all the different apps for specifically TikTok. Install it, and then open it up and sign in with your account. Now this is going to be on your tablet, so you can scroll on through here and we can find TikTok. And we can add this to the home screen somewhere. We can hold it down to delete it, and we can go to like this option to remove it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.